What's going on YouTube? This is me back again. So in this video I'm going to show you what I eat, how I cook it, and how I pack it for some time. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go get some groceries and then I'm gonna see you there. Alright, let's see, what do I need? 85, 93, alright. Turkey at, there it is, 93, 99, awesome. Get 3 of this. What else do I need? So I'm back from the grocery store. I got lean meat. I got some of the olive oil spray, salt, peppers, and some spices. I usually use onion powder and garlic powder for my spices, but you can use any kind of spices of your choice. Carrots and some greens. I'm gonna cook some rice now. Let me put 4 cups of rice. I almost forgot to mention, I got some potatoes for the carbs as well. Let me go ahead and transfer all these spices to the cooking side. Let's take all of these things. Alright. So what we're gonna do is start with some pans, of course. Heat the pans up. I usually use the spray that I showed you before. I usually don't use olive oil because I like the taste of the olive oil absorbed inside the meat. So I'm gonna use the olive oil in this 99% turkey meat. I'm gonna use the animal fat from the beef as well. So I got the fat source, I got the protein, I got the carbs. Let's get started.
Memories fade away, wither out, but I can't ignore the ache. Lying deep underground, you must have lost your way. Look around, all we can do now is pray. Make it count. I've lived through water habit, seen pain you can't imagine. These days you take for granted. We fought eyes so you could have them. This truth you hold for ransom, buried beneath the static. No doubt the heart is endless. Light is cold and love is tragic. Are gone, made our peace, said goodbye. Cause the further we carry on, through the fight, the stronger that we become. I've lived through water havoc, seen pain you can't imagine. These days you take for granted. We fought ours so you could have them. This truth you hold for ransom, buried beneath the static. No doubt the heart is endless. Light is cold and love is tragic. Ooh, yeah, love is tragic. Oh, no. Ooh, love is tragic.
I'm going to preheat my air fryer. I like the crispy potatoes. So if you don't have an air fryer, you can bake it, smash it, however you like it, boil it. Anyway, so first we start with getting the potatoes out of the bag. Yep, don't do that. Anyway, so after the potatoes are out of the bags, we're gonna transfer them in a bowl, water it a little bit, put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Oops, I found one. Get in there. All right. The potatoes are almost done in the microwave. So as soon as I take them out, the first thing I'm gonna do is check how hot they are, because the glass ball is kind of like, they get hot pretty easy. Anyway, so now I'm gonna cut them in half. Cutting part is done. I'm going to transfer them to the air fryer, spray a little bit, and then fry it. That thing is done. Let me go ahead and cut some zucchini, broccolis, some veggies, cut them all out while everything is cooking. Here I'm going to transfer all these veggies in a bowl as well. Wash them a little bit. Alright, the meat is almost done. Well, actually it's done. So I'm gonna shut down the stove. Air fry is almost done. Potatoes are looking crispy. Get another pan or whatever you call this for the veggies. Alright, I'm gonna spray this a little bit and put all the veggies in. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, pepper, and cover the lid, let it cook for a while. Alright, the potatoes are almost done. Here it is done now. Looking crispy. Awesome. I'm gonna add spinach, stir it a little, and cover the lid. Alrighty guys, the cooking part is done. Finally, rice is cooked as well. Now all we need to do is box them up and put it in your freezer.